How can I add new keys to a dictionary? How do I add a key to an existing dictionary? It doesn't have an .add method.
You create a new key/value pair on a dictionary by assigning a value to that key. If the key doesn't exist, it's added and points to that value. If it exists, the current value it points to is overwritten.
I feel like consolidating info about Python dictionaries. Creating an empty dictionary. Creating a dictionary with initial values. Inserting/updating a single value. Inserting/updating multiple values. Python 3.9 Plus. The update operator equals now works for dictionaries. Creating a merged dictionary without modifying originals. Python 3.5 Plus. This uses a new feature called dictionary unpacking. Python 3.9 Plus. The merge operator now works for dictionaries. Deleting items in dictionary. Check if a key is already in dictionary. Iterate through pairs in a dictionary. Create a dictionary from two lists.
To add multiple keys simultaneously, use dict.update. For adding a single key, the accepted answer has less computational overhead.
Is it possible to add a key to a Python dictionary after it has been created? It doesn't seem to have an .add method. Yes, it is possible, and it does have a method that implements this, but you don't want to use it directly. To demonstrate how and how not to use it, let's create an empty dict with the dict literal. Best practice 1. Subscript notation. To update this dict with a single new key and value, you can use the subscript notation, see mappings here, that provides for item assignment. My_dict is now. Best practice 2. The update method, 2 ways. We can also update the dict with multiple values efficiently as well using the update method. We may be unnecessarily creating an extra dict here, so we hope our dict has already been created and came from or was used for another purpose. My_dict is now. Another efficient way of doing this with the update method is with keyword arguments, but since they have to be legitimate Python words, you can't have spaces or special symbols or start the name with a number, but many consider this a more readable way to create keys for a dict, and here we certainly avoid creating an extra unnecessary dict. And my_dict is now. So now we have covered 3 Pythonic ways of updating a dict. Magic method, __set_item__, and why it should be avoided. There's another way of updating a dict that you shouldn't use, which uses the __set_item___ method. Here's an example of how one might use the __set_item___ method to add a key value pair to a dict, and a demonstration of the poor performance of using it. So we see that using the subscript notation is actually much faster than using __set_item__. Doing the Pythonic thing, that is, using the language in the way it was intended to be used, usually is both more readable and computationally efficient.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.